It's a 2017 Audi A4. With a chiseled profile, luxurious cabin, and German-engineered performance, this A4 is the ultimate go-getter. And it was completely redesigned for 2017 with improved power and fuel economy to go with added technology and safety features. And it comes with all the amenities you need: integrated navigation system, dual-zone climate control, refrigerated box located in the glove box, power sliding and tilting sunroof, auto-shift manual transmission, four-wheel drive, streaming audio, leather bucket seats, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and intercooled turbo inline four-cylinder engine. Drivers with high expectations will relish driving this amazing A4. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.